For our in-one Neoloop back-to-back connectors, you will receive 2 metal clips, electrical connection, and the outer plastic housings. To install the back-to-back connectors, you will start with your metal clips first. These are installed on the ends that you want to connect together. Install the other one on the other side. These should be installed fairly close to the end of your connection. And then take the electrical connector, peel back the side of the Neoloop, and push the electrical connector in between the circuit board and the plastic housing. You'll then repeat that same process on the other side. Again, the metal prongs go between the circuit board and the plastic backer. And take your bottom plastic housing, push the neon into that. You'll then take the top plastic, push it over top. You'll hear a positive click when it's fully engaged, and your back-to-back connector is fully assembled.